Okay, so we back because my camera fell down. I gotta bring it up. Alright, let's get to it. We got the Marty McFly. I love Bass anyway. You know I love Bass. And we got a bunch of orange. So it's more like that Sunkist orange. But that Marty McFly vest though. And see, it's the reason why I like, get attachments to the vintage things. I get attachments to. What this is Back to the Future. Because I see all y'all people trying to do stuff I've really been doing for a long time. Oh, you see how I got that bounce in there? In that little, in the shoulders? But you have to get a time machine like this and go back to the future to get as far as I've been for as long as I've been doing it. And that's how I've been on my Marty McFly stuff. But I do got something else to go with it. Marty McFly. Oh, there we go. There we go. Damn. Back to the Future shirt. You already know. My souvenirs go. My souvenirs is another world. California, out of time. You are out of time to get this fly, bro. Yeah, went to the Simpsons world. Got my Simpsons hat. You already know. But, oh, watch this jacket though. Y'all ready for the reveal? It's a different type of green too. Damn. Bam. Watch the back. Oh, Yoshi though, bro. Come on. Oh man. Killing them softly down, bro. I go back to the park today. I'm gonna get the shirt. With the bucket. Come on, man. You already know. Yoshi, bro. What else we got? Gotta get the drink cup. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it is just a dope mushroom. Boom. Just because I stay one up on y'all. You know that? And then when I'm gaming, I feel like I'm just going to put that there. And then when I win, I'm just going to start blowing bubbles on motherfuckers and stuff. Or you can just sit there and let it blow bubbles and let the kids play with it too. Come on now. I should just leave that going for the rest of the video. This is pop. Yoshi outfit. Ain't nobody playing with y'all out here. Then I left this. I passed this up a few times, and then somebody told me that I should check this out, and this is why. I should save this for last. No, we should. Matter of fact, we should do this first. See that? People be trying to tell me, give me advice. This is what it sounds like. I don't hear nothing from them. So, yeah. We got, I gotta have my magnets. You know, my souvenir magnets. So, this is Universal Studios. We got a little bit of everything. So, we got the Jaws thing. You already see. Well, I'm glad you like it. Okay. I didn't get this for me, but you got the princess. feel me? Yeah. And then I'm not getting Mario. Mario looks corny. Let's keep it real with y'all. I got Bowser. Because I'm not going to win your girl. I'm going to take her. Alright. What else? I feel like I'm missing some stuff. Here, you want this? You want this? Here, take it. Here, come get it. It's over here now. Alright, what else I get? Okay, we get to the last and the best of stuff. I feel like I'm missing some stuff. Okay, y'all ready? We got, alright, I'm gonna warm it up. We got the Snow Owl from Harry Potter. But what makes this cool is timer. Oh my God. I don't think this one will go through that. The metal piece, the metal bracket, because this goes under your shoulder. I'm gonna show you how it goes right now. I hope it already got batteries in it. Very careful. So I did all that to show you that where you turn it on that? Oh, there you hit the. Oh wow. Oh, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Watch out. What? If you perch on it, oh, it's kind of thick. I'm gonna take that off. And this goes like this on your shoulder. Or does it go the long way? What's up, man? Give me back. Okay, man. See, I told you this was gonna be cool. Now, yeah. So this is one of the coolest if you're gonna get something at the park for a collectible. But watch out. But this one is also cool, and he does the same thing. And you pat him back here. See that? This is what we doing to that bird. Is that cool? You like that? That's what's so cool. He loves it. Yeah, and this one got a little metal thing too. This sits on his shoulder too, so I thought that was extra cool. And that pretty much is everything, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to do that before I went to the park today. Okay.